what Lando has on you guys if something go like this. Lando waited. He did not just get the money and went to buy the car like how some people got the money and went to do their bodies. No.
5, 6, 7, 940, you owe me another 1,000, yeah? Yeah, that's better, yeah.
So for the people who are wondering, where he got the money, in my opinion, I have to say I see him play a lot of games. So it can be that they play games and they save their money and they do what they want. C4, leave me alone. Alright, so if anyone have anything to say, you can always send your requests and come and voice your own opinion. I don't know how you guys feel, but that's just what I think. I think he play match, save his money, because you have some people on the app here, all they do is come and play match. That is their job. Look, Maya bought a car. She's entitled to buy a car because Maya is one of them who comes on the app every day and just play match. And we want to congratulate Maya on her new car. So this app is really helping people. It's helping a lot of people. People should not envy people when they take phone money and buy stuff, because if you look at it, I wanna send no money, go give the people them, you know. And it's not really easy to come out here and sit down every day and say Tops and Roses my side, catch a speed. Come on, shoot, somebody send this. Sometimes you see all when me I play the match, me not really get no gift and them something there. And me have to sit down and take it like a G, especially when the next side I shoot big and me not get no gifts really, because you guys don't support me. I have to give God thanks for the 1 and 2 supporters that I have, and the new people who come, who start to watch me, who supported me. And that's what I said. Someone need to lift up and come out for me page so new people can constantly keep coming and support me. Because even though I tell you, please subscribe, I still have the 8 subscription up there, so. And you guys want me to come out here and entertain you guys every day. And what are you guys doing for me? That's why I have to tell you not to please leave. Lift up from over here. This way new people can come and support me. Because I bring the tea, I bring the sauce. I get myself in trouble every day just for you guys. The only thing that's saving me is the fact that I'm fully guzzle up and guzzle down. So when the people them come to hurt me, them say all 4 of me. They don't know which one for hurt. So that's the only thing that's saving me. Can I guzzle up and guzzle down? And one of the reasons why I have to guzzle up and guzzle down is because every judge need protection, because our jobs that we do here are not easy. We sentence people, but if me come, okay, C4 is saying, C4, I'm gonna start playing match every Saturday. I'm gonna start rank, not play match, rank. So I'm looking for the support because I have a $13,000 bill that needs to get taken care of. Thank you so much, Sexy Like, for supporting the live goal. And this is what I really need. If you guys don't support me, why should I get explain to me? But because me now C4, you're correct. But remember, this is what I do. Me not really is a match person, but I start to play matches now. Thank you for your little one and art. That is support. Lord Jesus. Alright, C4, thanks for the money gun. So you see what I'm saying? You have some people like C4 where hate me, but he still come and him support me. And that is what you call rich. So I have a new supporter. What can't stand me, his name is C4. Big up your damn self, C4, for that. No. I'm asking whosoever can subscribe to click the X on your left hand screen down at the bottom and subscribe. We ask that you share the live. We ask that you tap the screen. I'm looking for a million likes. Guys, I want to change up this thing where I only have subs only typing, but I'm giving you guys until December 15. After December 15, you can type in my chat if you're not subscribed to me. Because a lot of people making money on this app. You know, just like when the end of month I come and Ivan make up the story them. I come telling her the lies them. Just like how people are opening up businesses off TikTok. You understand? Just like how people I eat chicken and fish and rice and peas on a daily basis because of TikTok.
Because even though the pandemic is over, COVID-19 isn't. Spike by Moderna is a vaccine to help.
Yes, I cranny. I am here, not skipping the line. I'm waiting my turn. Thank you so much. Even the heart me up at the top this up. Una son like me, or una son watch me, una say me bring something to the table, and I only have 345 heart me's. And sometimes when I look at the amount of persons who is watching me, it is just so sad to know that you're not supporting me. If you really like what I do here on the app, you guys can bring $5 every week to come and give to me. $5 is nothing. If you don't have the $5, you can come and tell yourself you're gonna give me 2,000 likes and 100 shares. Those are simple things that the people who don't have money can do, but instead you think it's hard to do it. If everybody, all right, look on this your dog shit where I come and say Bling favor dead. You should be lucky that I'm wearing my gown, because I don't disrespect people in my courthouse. Because the reason for that is because I run a Supreme Court now. So I have to set example.
Slams it into the bag. The bag goes against the chain. The chain snaps. That's real?
Of course. But let them stay with their sensations, because the thing about their sensations is
He proves that he's more than just a pretty face.
they are just like their sensations.
So short, mess with makeup and white, and you might find yourself.
Now let us piggyback on some of the things here on the app. TikTok has been very helpful to people.
When it comes to keeping an online following,
A lot of them was hungry. So much of them, including sensations, used to eat and suck everything that have life in it. Now
Blessing creates loads of God-busting sketches.
she don't have to do that, and that is what you call
Time he realized there was
blessing.
recording him at a grocery store and took to flexing
Yes.
his muscles. For him,
Now people on this app,
just because Blessing can, and
they come here
there is no mistaking that this man is an absolute beast.
and they treat you guys so bad.
Nobody is going to
They curse you out and still telling you to send gifts, and you guys just send the gifts. And you know what they take the money and do? Like TikTok boss, he loves back road.
just to save a kid.
But what puzzles me with TikTok boss is the fact that he has his woman in his house and live a back road.
Fearlessly defy gravity and common sense. He climbed the building with his bare hands and feet.
I don't think that,
It was a beautiful moment of pure adrenaline, an epic feat that left everyone breathless.
you know, I can't tell a person what to do. And some of these people have their favorite
Number 2.
who is at back road, you know. But those people in back road, they need money too because they're working. So the girls in back road, if you're watching this live, charge more because y'all service that you guys are giving is a very good service because some of these service they're not getting at their house. So it is very good that you charge more. They will pay it. They will pay it because a lot of these rankers, they love back road. TikTok boss at the list.
Number 1, Ronnie Coleman.
TikTok boss was trying something the other day where he was asking his daughter a question so you guys can feel bad and send him gifts. You know, the amount of things that the people them do on this app just so you guys send gifts, it's just terrible. I mean, look at the World Dog situation. Thank you so much for the art me. Guys, I need you to subscribe.